How to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have already downloaded Monopoly Go on your phone from your Apple Store or Google Play Store. Now let's open the app. Here we go. Now at the bottom you can see various options, but at the bottom right corner you can see the option of Friends. Just tap on it. Now over here you can see Contacts, Facebook and Invite. Just tap on Facebook. Tap on Confirm. OK. Now tap on Continue. Let's wait for it while the page is loading. Now you'll come across the Facebook page and you have to enter your details such as your mobile number or email and enter your password to the account which you want to connect to Monopoly Go. So, after doing all these steps, you will successfully be able to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. And that was all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.